Hey youngins, it's Meemaw, and I'm here to show you how to clean your toaster. Before I do that though, I want to send a big shout out to my friend Candace. Candace, I'm thinking about you and I'm praying for you, and I know that God's got big plans for you. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to pull our toaster out away from the wall, and I'm going to unplug it. It is very important that you unplug it because you don't want to electrocute yourself. So I have had people ask me, well, why should I even worry about cleaning my toaster? Well, toasters accumulate a lot of food inside of them because of what we put in it, and it's just a natural kind of accumulation of crumbs and things like that. Those crumbs will draw bugs and mice, and that is something that you do not want. So I've unplugged it, and so now I'm going to turn it around, and in the back of every toaster there is going to be a slot that you pull out. Okay, so on my toaster there's actually a little button there that says push. So I'm going to push it, it releases the little latch that holds it in, and I'm going to pull that out. See, it's like a little tray that catches all the crumbs that have fallen down in there. See, it catches all the crumbs that have fallen down in there. Okay, so I've taken out the slide tray from the bottom, and I've dumped it in the sink, tap, 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 dumped it in the sink, and I'm gonna clean this. I'm gonna do that by spraying it with a little bit of my vinegar water solution. My vinegar water solution is 2 parts vinegar, 1 part water. And I'm just going to use it to clean off anything that might be stuck to that tray, and then I'm going to set that tray aside. You can see I'm over here close to the sink because cleaning a toaster could be a messy business. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take a look down in there. There's quite a bit of crumbs that have fallen that didn't make it into the tray. So I'm going to turn my toaster upside down. Already you can see that a couple of things have fallen out of there, and I'm just going to tap it. I'm going to tap it, and as I do, things are going to fall out of there. Then I'm going to take a wooden spoon. Now remember, I've unplugged this toaster. I'm using a wooden spoon that does not conduct electricity, just in case you've forgotten. And I'm going to get in there with my wooden spoon, and I'm going to loosen up some of those crumbs. Be real careful. You don't want to hurt the heating element that's on the inside. You're going straight to the bottom, and you're just shifting those crumbs that are on the bottom so that the next time you lift it upside down, those crumbs are going to want to come out. So I'm just working my way along the bottom of that toaster, loosening up those crumbs. Okay, now I'm gonna turn it upside down again. So many more crumbs are coming out. Change the angle. All right. I'm going to take my spoon in one more time. I got a few more places where I can see that the crumbs are sticking, and I'm going to loosen them with that wooden spoon. Okay, I'm going to flip it again, shake it again. All right, it's looking pretty good now. So now I've got the outside of the toaster that I want to worry about. So I've got my spray. I'm not going to spray this inside. I'm only going to spray the outside of the toaster with this solution. I'm going to let it set just for a minute to kill any germs that might have collected on there. I've got my paper towel, and I'm going to start at the top. I'm going to work my way down the front. As you clean your toaster, inevitably you're going to end up changing the settings on your toaster. So pay attention to that, because you don't want the next time that you use your toaster, you burn your toast because you had flipped the controls all the way to burn my toast, please. So now I'm wiping down the sides of my toaster and the back of the toaster. Okay. Then I'm going to take the cord itself, and I'm just going to run it through and get any dust that's settled on it as well. I'm going to take my tray that I've cleaned, and I'm going to stick it right back in my toaster. press it for the locking mechanism to catch, and it's ready to plug back in and use. So youngins, I hope you found today's cleaning of the toaster helpful, and the next time you clean your toaster, you can do that with confidence. I hope that you'll rate, review, subscribe, but most importantly, I'd like for you to put in the comments how I can pray for you today. Until I see you again, Meemaw will be thinking about you, praying for you. I send you a hug.